morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading to go take Cassie to school. I already dropped off Jose at 7 at the property, and everything that was digged out is now a lake. It's a lagoon. It's full of water, but we are heading to, as you guys know, we are coming from Moroleon to the rancho where she's going, so we do have to drive our car because we're not in walking distance.
Soon to be.
Soon to be. Well, we're here at the escuela.
I don't have any shoes.
We're not getting up, mommy. We're just dropping Cassie off. And this is secundaria. That's her school right there. She is. I think she went to go see her friend. It's a very small school. You guys can see.
But I don't go to school.
Cerros look so beautiful with the clouds. Jose and the team are working on the road. Here's the lagoon. This is what they digged out yesterday. Now they're building a trench so the water can float out. The material has arrived. I prepped all my potatoes, so I made sure there's at least one eye on each of the sides of the potato that I cut. And I'm gonna go ahead and plant these at the property today. We are heading to the property to take Jose some breakfast, and we will stay up there to start planting and start fixing my garden bed so that I can take more plants tomorrow. I won't take more today because it has been raining a lot. It's super wet. And I don't know if I have to walk, and I don't want to be carrying a lot of things with me. They're having a snack. Mm-hmm. Chauri, no te toques la face. Oh my God. Get out of there, yeah. He's building the Castillos over there. They couldn't do much because it rained a lot.
I touched my face again.
So he's having a blast.
El drenaje y todo el drenaje.
¿Qué estás haciendo, amor?
Haciendo mi menso. ¿Qué chingados voy a hacer?
¿Cómo se llaman esos castillos?
No son de la feria. Sé que iba a llover.
I left Jose back there with Maestro, they call him. I don't know. The guy that's making the Castillos. And I'm going to go to Cuamio to go feed the little chicks because we don't know what time we will be leaving the property. Saudi is a mess. So we're heading to Cuamio now. Cassie took the bus home with one of her friends. One of her friends was gonna take the bus because she has to learn how to ride it. So she decided to go with her since on the 11th we'll be going to Morelia and we won't be able to pick her up from school. So she decided to go with her friend so that she can learn how to come in the bus. Look at this child.
Hi.
She's having a blast though. We came to the papeleria so Cassie can buy some supplies that she needs for her art class. You know what you're doing, Emma?
No.
Mommy, can I go in the water?
Does it look like I know what I'm doing?
Mommy, put our shoes case
I don't know.
I'm gonna go in. No, you're not.
Jose's learning how to work too.
I know how to do it.
Yeah. Really? I never knew you knew.
digo, antes uno tenía que hacer los anillos.
Mommy, please.
No, dice que
I
ahora
want
mismo.
to touch the water only with my feet.
Where are your eyes black though? Your whole face is black.
Because I ain't white. Look at my color.
You're brown and your eyes are black. Okay.
Mañana sí va, supuestamente mañana. Se van a avanzar. A ver si viene la máquina.
I hope it doesn't rain.
Pues ojalá que no.
They have these tools.
En el agua y
They finished these right here.
No, there isn't. Yellow.
He said he's gonna do like 50.
There's some right here.
So the ants got our limon tree. All of our leaves.
Hi.
Knocked down all the baby limones off here too. That was the only one that was strong enough to stick around, but the other ones were on the floor earlier. They're gone now. Jose did put some white thing here. That's the only one that they bothered. Hold on, mommy, hold on. There's the other one. There's that one. And this is a zapote. The other one's a níspero then. And then the child over here.
I want to say hi, Mommy. Does my hand look bad?
A little bit. No, just kidding. What are you doing? This is all the water from
There's a hole over
the hole that was filled this morning.
there and it's all wet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they made an opening so that it can drain out where the foundation's gonna go.
My shoes also got red and dirty.
So that's the water that's draining out. Jose's working hard over there. The guys already left. They leave at 3:30. I'll be planting tomorrow, hopefully. Cassie, take this very carefully. Either outside or to the pile of wood I have in there that I'm gonna burn. It's got a lot of thorns. He doesn't have any more piece of wire cut, so I'm not sure if he's gonna stop or keep on going. The guys made this while they were here. It's a stand for their Castillos. And Jose's gonna cut the varillas, he said, in half, so they can be ready for them tomorrow. He's gonna continue helping tomorrow also. He's straightening the, what are they called, amor, the varillas?
Rebar. Se llama rebar.
The rebar. I was gonna use some of this dirt for my garden, but a lot of it is like clay. So I ended up not grabbing much. Just some of the one that's on the top layer, which I gotta go with the shovel that I left over there. And let me show you guys. That it went down so much from the morning. Like I said, they did make a path for it to drain out through here. And it's still draining. But this was full to the max in the morning. And you can see the clay here on the floor. So it seems like this is good dirt. But once you start combining it, because it's been mixed with that one, it's just making it really sticky. So I need like that dirt right there for my garden. It's so hard to walk through here because it's so wet. He's about half done and digging. He still has all the way to there. And then all the way over here is back there somewhere. It has a lot to do. Hopefully it doesn't rain tonight so that he can come tomorrow and continue. And once he removes the rock that's over there by the girls, we are gonna go ahead and move our temporary chicken coop and make it permanent on that side over there. So we're gonna have it open that way so we can see it at night when we are here, because this would be our view. Saudi usually doesn't want to come with us over here because she gets bored. But since there's a lot of mud, a lot of water, she even said, what time are we leaving to the property? Oh. Bye, Miss Mams! See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. I love you so much.
I don't know how it's going to go when I don't keep them in my garden anymore, when I kick them out, because they think that they can be in there all day. Well, friends, thanks for coming along with us today on a day in the life here in Guanajuato, Mexico. I wasn't able to plant my potatoes because we did end up going with the girls because I had to go feed the chickens, the baby chicks. Ooh, now that I'm seeing it, it's all dirty right here. So we couldn't. So we couldn't plant the potatoes, but we're getting there. The rain is just not allowing us to do much in the property for the foundation, but hopefully it'll stop raining more so that we can continue doing what we have to do, so we can continue building. Well, friends, thanks for coming along with us. We hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. Also share our channel with your friends so you can continue to grow. God bless, and see you guys soon, friends. Bye.
Bye, subscribe to the channel.
Why are you talking with that boy in your mouth? Bye, friends.